Odoo CRM tutorial, how to use Odoo CRM. So hello there and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Odoo to unleash your product business and make your job easier. So first of all, you have to head over to odoo.com, and after visiting the odoo.com site, here you can see this is start now, it's free option. Just tap onto this start now, it's free option. Then after tapping onto it, there you can choose your website, like what type of website are you running, for example website, e-commerce, events, e-learning, etc. For now I'm going to choose website. No, let me choose e-commerce and website, both of them together. Now you can choose your sales option. Now you can also choose your finance option, services, like what type of services you want, project based, planning based, field services, etc. You can choose it, but for now I am not gonna make it more complex. Just tap on to continue, and then you have to enter your first name, your last name. So let me add my first name, company name. Then you have to enter your email address. Then you can add your phone number from here. Then you have to tap on to start now. You can choose your company size right from here. You can also choose your targeted country. So as you can see, we are being welcomed into Odoo. Now Odoo will start creating website for us. So let's wait and let's see how it turns out. So let the page load, and there we go. This is what it will ask you. You have to answer these basic questions. So tap on to let's do it. Now you have to answer these basic questions. For my okay, now you have to enter with the main objective to get leads. Okay, now you can choose a color palette for your website. Also you can just upload a image from your browser, your file, and then you can tap onto let's go. And there you go. Now you have to tap on to add pages and features. You have to enter about your page, like what is your things or what is your services. Then you have to tap on to build my website. After creating on to build my website, there you can choose your favorite online catalog right from here. So just choose an online catalog that you like the most. For example, I'm going to choose the second one here, and then you have to choose your favorite product page. So I'm gonna tap onto this one. This one looks very nice. Now after choosing all of these things, now lastly you have to view themes. You have to choose your themes. If you don't like these themes, you can tap onto view more themes, and after clicking onto view more themes, there are a lot of other themes will be available. You can just choose those themes. Let the page load, and I'm going to show you the themes that Odoo has. So here are some themes that Odoo has. You can just scroll down and choose the theme that you wish to add. For me, I'm gonna add this theme right here, and after tapping onto it, Odoo AI, like Odoo's AI web builder, will analyze every single thing that you provided to it, like every single information, and then it will analyze and generate you a perfect website depending on your niche and on your preferences. So as you can see, my online store is almost ready. Here you can see the last features are being activated, and then I will show you how it turns out. So let's wait and let's check how it goes. As you can see, my page is loading, and as I am on the free version, so it will take some time, obviously. So let the page load, and our website is almost ready. So this is how it will look like. So now at the top right corner, you can see this edit option. Here you just have to tap onto edit in order to edit these things from here. If you want to edit something, then tap onto this edit option, and then it will load for a few seconds. Then you can edit it. Just choose on anything, like for example, I would like to enter edit this texture ultimate. So you just have to choose the ultimate one, and then you can just tap onto backspace, and there we go, the text has been removed. So I'm gonna add another texture, and then you can tap onto save. And also you can edit these images from here. For example, you can upload images here. You can upload an image, then choose the product image or any other image that you want to add, then you can just add it up. So you can also add icons from here if you wish to. So as you can see, my image and product image has been added to Odoo website. You can just do the same for every single one. Now let's say you want to edit these images. You have to choose the double click on those images, and after double clicking on these images, you can upload an image and edit them. You can also edit those things from here. You can choose your background color from here. If you want, you can change it to black, white if you wish to. This is same as every single one. You just have to choose your your background color, then you have to add it, and then you can just go, you can choose them out. So this is how it looks like. So I hope you understand that how it will look like. Now you can edit this sections at the top also, like your contact us options if you want to edit something else. And here you can see your search bar, your my card, your account name or your website name, and etc. Here are shop. You can customize this shop option. You can go to service option, pricing, etc. You can just customize them according to your need. For example, I'm going to edit this text here, then let me show you how it turns out. So this is how it will turn out. So that was pretty much it about Odoo, that how you can create and start building your own website. Now lastly, let me show you the preview of mobile version also. Here you can see this mobile icon here. Tap onto it and you'll be able to check out the mobile logo or mobile version, that how it look like on mobile here, and this is what it will look like on the mobile version. So that's it. Now you can just save it up from here. You just tap on to save at the top right corner, and there we go. You can also optimize SEO of your title. You can add descriptions, and you can just use SEMrush at this site to use your SEO. You just have to enter some keywords on your niche, and then it will generate a lot of keywords that you can add on your bio, title, etc. So that was pretty much it. Now you can just publish it very easily. So this is what it will look like. And so if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. Also like this video. Don't forget to comment that what type of videos you want to see in the future. Check the link in the description box, or it can be in the pinned comment. So that's it, and as always, happy exploring. So let's meet on to another video. Till then, goodbye. See you.